everyone, welcome to my channel. It's another day and of course it's another video. Alright, so for today's video we will have an instructional video. So we will talk about the run-ons in the sentence. Okay, so to start, we will define first what is a run-on or a run-ons. Based on my research, a run-on sentence occurs when two or more independent clauses, also known as complete sentence, are connected or joined improperly. So for example, I love to compose songs. I would compose one every day if I had the time. Again, I love to compose songs. I would compose one every day if I had the time. Actually, there are two complete sentences in this example. The first sentence is that I love to compose songs. The second one, I would write one every day if I had the time. In this example, this example seems to be confusing since it contains two complete sentences. As a result, there is an unclear understanding of its thought or meaning, or what does the sentence trying to emphasize. So, to fix this sentence, we must consider the following ways to correctly connect or separate independent clauses or sentences. The first one is use a semicolon. Inserting a semicolon between independent clause creates a grammatically correct sentence. Using a semicolon is a stylistic choice that establishes a close relationship between the two sentences. For example, I love to compose songs. I would compose one every day if I had the time. So here, you put a semicolon after the first sentence, which is I love to compose songs. A semicolon, then followed by the next sentence. So here, there is a complete thought or idea from the sentence, and it is not confusing to read. The second one is use a comma and a coordinating conjunction. A comma paired with a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or corrects a run-on sentences. This method emphasizes the relationship between the two independent clauses. For example, I love to compose songs, and I would compose one every day if I had the time. So in this example, you use a comma after the first sentence and a coordinating conjunction, which is and, next to the comma and followed by the second sentence, in which case it is not confusing to read. The third one is use a subordinating conjunction. Turn one of the independent clause into a dependent clause. A subordinating conjunction, for example, because, unless, and although, connects two clauses to create a complex sentence. This option works to cement the relationship between the two parts of the sentence. For example, because I love to compose songs, I would compose one every day if I had the time. So here, you use a subordinating conjunction, which is because. In writing a sentence, always remember that it is definitely not just the grammar that you need to observe or consider, but rather learn to consider proper usage of punctuations to avoid the reader's misunderstanding and confusion of the sentence.
Alright.